Hello viewers, how are you? In today's video I am going to show you how you can root Honor 8X which is running EMUI 9.1 version. First thing is you need to enable developer options by tapping 7 times on build number. Then go in developer options and here you need to enable OEM unlock. Once OEM unlock is enabled, next step will be to unlock the bootloader of this phone. Viewers, if you don't have bootloader unlock code for your phone, then you need to use any paid service to unlock bootloader of your phone. Viewers, there is no free way at this moment to unlock the bootloader. Only paid service is available. You can also use my service to unlock the bootloader, or you can use any other third-party service to unlock the bootloader of your phone. You can see my phone is showing phone locked in fast boot mode, and now I am going to unlock the bootloader of this phone. Viewers, without unlocking the bootloader you cannot root this phone. Okay, the bootloader of my phone has been unlocked. You can see it is saying your device has been unlocked and cannot be trusted. Viewers, bootloader codes are not available for this phone, so only direct bootloader unlock service through USB cable is available. So you will not get the bootloader code. Now I will show you in fast boot mode that phone is showing unlocked. Just hold volume down button and insert cable to see the fast boot mode, and here we can see phone is showing unlocked. Okay, now we will proceed with the root process. Viewers, in order to root, you need to download and install latest Magisk manager. At this moment, the latest version is version 22.0, and you need to download this APK file on your phone. You can also download on your computer and then transfer it to your phone. I have already downloaded this APK file, so I just want to show you that how to download. Like this option will appear, you need to tap on download and download should start. I will cancel this download because I already have this APK file, so I am going to proceed with the installation. Tap on it and tap on install. Okay, Magisk manager has been installed. Now we need to switch off phone and connect in fast boot mode. To enter in fast boot mode, you need to disconnect phone from your computer, power it off, and then hold volume down button, only volume down button, and insert the cable. Phone should enter fast boot mode. We have already unlocked the bootloader. So now we are going to patch the recovery RAM disk file. Open CMD screen and CMD window, and here we need to type command fastboot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk space, and simply drag and drop that Magisk patched recovery and press enter. Once it is flashed, you need to disconnect phone from your computer. Phone is disconnected, and now we need to hold volume up and power button simultaneously. Viewers, both buttons you need to hold volume up and power. Don't touch volume down button. Okay, phone must be disconnected from your computer. Keep holding both buttons, volume up and power, until you see that screen where message appears that your phone has been unlocked and cannot be trusted. So keep holding even after reboot, and when you see this screen you can leave the buttons and let the phone boot. Viewers, root only works on EMUI 9.1. You cannot unlock bootloader on EMUI 10. That is why there is no root for EMUI 10 version. Okay, phone just booted up, and now I am going to check if Magisk has been installed successfully. We'll open Magisk Manager, and here it is showing Magisk version 22.0, which is the latest version, is installed, and latest Magisk Manager, which is also 22.0, is installed. Now we need to verify root access. For this you need to download root checker application. You can download direct from Play Store, or you can simply copy from your computer if you have downloaded the APK already on your computer. I don't have I don't have Google account, added Google account on this phone, so I am going to copy it from my computer. It will take few seconds. Okay, it is copied, and now I am going to install the root checker. You can use any root checker, whichever is easily available for you. Open the root checker, agree with terms, and tap on verify root, grant root access, and there we go. Congratulations, root access is properly installed. So we have successfully rooted this Honor 8X running EMUI 9.1 version. So I am going to take screenshot to share on my blog, and now the most important step is to pass the SafetyNet. Viewers, this SafetyNet is actually a feature which Google uses to verify if device is rooted or not rooted, and banking apps will not work if SafetyNet cannot be passed. So to fix this problem, you need to download SafetyNet Fix module for Magisk. It is very small module. You can search directly on GitHub, or you can use Google to find out the download link of this module. Make sure you use the latest version, which is 1.1.1. SafetyNet Fix is the name of this module. Okay, it is almost downloaded. Open Magisk Manager, and here you need to tap on the modules button and install from storage. Here you need to go in downloads folder where you will find that SafetyNet fix. Okay, it is installed because this module is very small module. So press reboot. We must make sure when phone turns off you quickly hold volume up button, because if you don't hold volume up at boot time, phone will not start with root access. So this is very important thing. Once your phone is rooted, you must start phone by holding volume up button, otherwise root access will not be enabled on your phone. Phone just started. Now I am going to check the SafetyNet again. Viewers, in some cases SafetyNet can take some time to get verified. You don't need to worry if your phone shows that it is still the SafetyNet still cannot be passed. Once you have flashed the module, the SafetyNet has been fixed, even though this Magisk Manager is showing that attestation is failed, but in fact this has been fixed. But some phones take time to verify this SafetyNet. So if I will go in Play Store, here I can see device is showing certified. Okay, so the SafetyNet is working fine. It just takes a few minutes only, then it will show SafetyNet passed. I will show you this in this video later. Okay, I will show you how to hide banking apps. You need to enable Magisk hide in settings, and then you need to go in Magisk hide settings, and there you need to tick your banking app. Okay, this way your banking app cannot see Magisk. So if banking app cannot see Magisk, it means the app cannot detect root on your phone. So this way you can use mobile app, banking app on your phone, on your rooted phone. So you can see there is no warning from app that phone is rooted or something related to security risk. So this is how you can hide all your apps which are not supported by rooted phone. So I am going to check the SafetyNet again. Okay, now it is showing success, which it means the SafetyNet has been passed successfully. So viewers, it may take 5 to 10 minutes, so you don't need to worry. Once you have flashed the module, that SafetyNet fix module, consider it done. You don't need to worry about anything. So this is how we have rooted Honor 8 JSN-L22. You can use same method on other variants of Honor 8X. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos in future.